There is a major problem with some social media platforms. Okay, so major might be just a little dramatic for this particular issue, but I'm not happy about it. Unfortunately, some social media platforms don't allow for multiple links to be put in your profile. You only have one option for one link that you can send people to. Honestly, this is an issue if you have anything other than your website you want to send people to. And like the big heavy hitters, Instagram, TikTok, one link. Thankfully, the internet wizards of the world have given us many an application like the one we're going to talk about today, LinkTree, and they're all free. If we haven't met yet, my name is Sammy. I'm here with Digivangelism. I'm not usually outside when I do these videos. To be honest, I filmed this video last week and I lost like 3 to 4 hours worth of footage, 9 videos. I had lots of different angles. It was really cool, but I lost it all because the audio didn't work. You can hear me, right? You can hear me this time? Yeah, so I'm re-recording this video for you and I thought, why not just do it outside? Enjoy the fact that even though I had to re-record it, it's gonna be beautiful. Anyway, I'm here every Tuesday morning, Eastern Time, 9 a.m. We are here at DIGI to help progressive leaders of spiritual communities share hope, healing, and light online. So if that sounds of interest to you, or if any kind of digital ministry goodness sounds good, hit the subscribe button and follow along. I honestly don't usually lose the footage. LinkTree is a free website that allows you to direct your people to one central link that then organizes other links that your people might be interested in. There are multiple sites out there like LinkTree that offer this service. Some of them have additional opportunities for customization. So using something like LinkTree solves that problem of there only being one opportunity for a link in a lot of social media platforms. It's also super easy to change the links that you put in your LinkTree, so if you ever want to take out old links or add in new ones, pizza cake. As I mentioned, LinkTree can be helpful for Instagram or TikTok, even Twitter and Pinterest have that one link rule, so comes into use there. And honestly, it could be helpful even beyond the social media platforms that only have one link allowance, because if you want to direct people somewhere like easy that organizes all the places maybe that you are connected to as a community, and they don't even have to be links of your community. You can link things that your community is connected to, your denomination, the organizations that your community helps, neighborhood organizations that you want to support. It's just an easy packaged way to do this. Yes, you can do that on your website too, but this might be a little less overwhelming, a little like mobile friendly, because they're all just in a list and boom, 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 you're there. Yes, your website can be one of the links that you send people to as well. In fact, if you have a website, probably should be on there. And did I mention it was free? I think that's huge. Okay, here's the part where I tell you what kind of links you could put in your LinkTree. Yes, if you have a website, like I said, please put that in there. If you have a way for people to subscribe to your newsletter or mailing list, that is a great link to have in there so that they can just click and be added and get lots of future updates directly in their email inbox. If you have a podcast or a YouTube channel, it's nice to be able to link people directly to that, because otherwise it might get lost on your website if they're trying to go there first and then to the podcast or YouTube channel. Just send people right there, they can subscribe to the one that they're most interested in. Like I said, LinkTree is also a great way to send people to your ministry partners' websites or ways to donate to them. Whatever you think is important, you can send people to. There's no limit on the websites that you can put on there. Another neat idea, if your leaders, your faith leaders have like profiles of their own, whether social media profiles, maybe their own website, maybe their own other ministries, link those up too. It's a great way for people to get to know the leaders of the community that they might be getting to know too. Those are our ideas, but I'm sure you have more. So comment below, what other websites can you link in your LinkTree? Do you have a LinkTree? Can we see your LinkTree? Feel free to link it below or just tell us and we'll check it out. That's it for today. Again, I'm Sammy. Thanks for hanging out outside with me. If this was helpful for you, or if you're interested in future digital ministry videos, hit the like button so it goes out to more and more people, or subscribe to our channel for more digital ministry goodness to come. We brought the knowledge today, but it is your turn to put it into action. Let us know if you do. Send us your LinkTree. Peace.